We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
But this view. This view is absolutely gorgeous. Check this out. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? That's just sick. That's just amazing. Oh, man, this is sick. Boom! So it is Father's Day. It's Father's Day, so that means that we are going to celebrate Father's Day. Hey Dad, I don't know if you ever see this, but this is for you. Boom. Little treats from the Disney cruise. That's nice of them, right? That's for you, Dad. You already know what this is by the time you see it, so enjoy it. Use it wisely. Don't use it all in one day. And this is the view, just so you guys know. Absolutely beautiful. Stunning, to be honest. Look at the clouds. Look at the clouds. Wow. Anyways, so I just got done watching the Star Wars movie. And I know it's Father's Day in 2018. That's way past when this movie came out. But I'm happy with it. It was actually a very good movie. And I was very, very moved by all of it, and I think it was one of their better ones. To be honest. Later, I'm gonna go see the Avengers movie later this week, and I haven't seen the Avengers movie, and that's been out for decades. So then I gotta go watch Deadpool 2, but that's not gonna be on the Disney cruise, obviously. So I gotta watch that on my own time. But Avengers, kind of excited to see it. Haven't seen it. Know every single thing about it, so it'll be pretty fun. I'm probably gonna go eat some food. Food is yummy. I haven't taken you guys around because it's been more of like real boring things, you know? So maybe we'll do some fun things today. I gotta see what the plan is after we open the present, and then after that, we'll see what happens. Anyway, I'll see you when I see you guys. Peace. So houses are expensive or no?
Who?
Yes, they're expensive.
Yes.
300,000 is a lot of money.
Yes, yes. Houses, property, everything here, to me, is expensive.
Yes.
It's expensive to anybody.
How big is the house?
Well, yeah.
Let us say a 2-bedroom, a bathroom, and everything.
2 bedrooms for $300,000.
2 bedrooms, $300,000 is a good price. You bet.
Not a good price.
That's the best price.
That's the best price.
When was the last hurricane here?
Just a few months ago.
Yeah.
That's why you see the place look like that. And the 6th of September, we had a hurricane.
And the water came up all the way over here, huh?
Yes, on the front side was worse.
And what do you do when there's a hurricane?
Well, we just put up our shutters and hope for the best.
Put up all the shutters.
Is there hurricanes a lot here?
No, we don't get them that often. But the one that we got a few months ago, 8 months ago, that was the biggest hurricane we ever had.
Really?
Biggest hurricane.
Yeah, the strongest hurricane
In
that we ever
September,
had.
right?
Yes.
September. My friend was here.
The 6th of September.
Yep.
How often is there hurricanes?
Well, the major hurricanes is not too often. The last major hurricane we had before that one was in 1995.
Oh wow.
In what?
1995 Hurricane Lewis was the last major hurricane. But yes, we had a lot of hurricanes in between that. Category 1, Category 2. But this one, Irma here now, was a Category 5 plus.
Oof. That's a hard one.
185 miles per hour.
We're gonna go check out the ocean and then maybe get something to eat. We can only be here for like 20 minutes and then we gotta go back to the boat so that we can do a little tour. Family getting ready. It's the best bar of St. Mark's. St. Mark's, yes.
St. Martin.
Right there is where the airplanes come in, right here. Woo! And then they land right there. Here comes an airplane right now, small little airplane. Here comes the airplane. FedEx, it's FedEx. All done, ate the food. Looked at airplanes. We gotta get on our taxi and get the F out of here. It's raining though right now. I don't know if you can tell, but it's raining. Totally late. Last one in line. We made it. Skin of the teeth.
We got to see the airplanes.
And we got to see airplanes. It's pretty cool.
Beach.
The beach. Chilling on the bus. Gonna go on a tour with the fam. Look at all the fams over there. See all the fams over there? They're just like us, but like not as cool. They're like the coolest family. That's the damage.
So everybody was really much buttoned down for the longest time.
Look at the
And as soon as it was over, well, in between, after Irma finished, the Dutch Marines were in, as were the French Marines, and they were wonderful.
Here we are at the bathrooms. There's bathrooms right here. This pink building right here is a restroom, and then you got the market over here. It's pretty cool. Here's the bathrooms. There's old man, Daddy-O. Bathrooms. And then here's the market. Some places to stay. a gentleman that wants some money. Wants some money. He's got a nice bike though. Chilling. It's a nice place. Usually there's yachts and stuff here, but not this time. There was a big old hurricane that came through. A lot of these people have to you know, scavenge for dollars so that they can get their roofs made, you know, because they're still waiting for their insurance checks to come in, and some of them are renters and they're just living with what they have. So shit can be hard down here. If you live in America, enjoy that. Enjoy it. Seriously. Boat ride done. Bus ride. Here's Wendy.
Hey guys.
Wendy's our tour guide, and that is the, I don't know, old man ride, I guess. We're gonna get on this boat, get back on the cruise, go to the next place. Way over yonder. It's over there somewhere. Yep. So we're gonna go down there, and I don't know what we're gonna do. I'm probably just gonna walk around the cruise like always. So we are back on the ship. We went to, I don't know what the hell that airport is, but the airport that's right on the beach that people like to hold on to. We went there, and then after, we came back to the ship to get on our cruise ship for about 2 minutes so that we can get back off the cruise ship so that we could go to the bus station. And then we got on a bus, went on a tour, then got on a boat, and then from the boat we went on to the tour again, and now we're back on the cruise ship. Then tonight's pirate night, so all the families are gonna dress up like pirates, hopefully all of them, and you're gonna see me act like a goon. I mean, you're gonna see me act like a goon. No F word. Anyways, I'll see you guys.